Are you just having so much fun? All right, guys, it's our second day here at Florence, Oregon, and we are actually going out today. We're gonna go to the beach, and then we're gonna go visit downtown Florence. We're gonna check it out. It's early in the morning. We just got done breakfast. We had a waffle, eggs, bacon, and hash brown this morning, and of course we have our coffee. Anyway, Ray is having fun outside, running around. It's a beautiful day today, sunshine as you can see. Beautiful day.
Watch me run.
Okay, well, watch you run. Run, Ray! Woohoo! See how she run? My goodness! All right, guys, we're gonna go head out to the beach or show you guys the beach over here, and then we're gonna go downtown. I'll show you guys around, and this is our first time here in Florence, Oregon. It's beautiful area what we have in here. We're actually right close to the lake. It's a big lake. It's way all the way down there, guys. It's really cool for fishing and everything like that. We brought our kayaks, so we're gonna try fishing. The boys went fishing this morning, and they said that there's no bites, so it looks like fish are not active right now, so they're gonna try go fishing again this afternoon and see if they can get some. Anyway, I'll see you guys around, and I'll show you guys the beach, and also we're gonna go downtown and show you guys around. Alright, guys, we are here at Florence, Oregon, guys, right at the coast, and spending the weekend, holiday weekend, Memorial weekend, guys. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we'll be back on Monday. Of course, I'm with my children, Karina, Hector, and our grandchildren, and of course Isaiah and my wife Jackie.
Hi.
Alright, guys, we're heading to the beach right now. We arrived yesterday, Friday, May 23rd, and right now is the 24th, Saturday, so we are heading to the beach, and then we're going to town to visit the area. This is our first time here in Florence, Oregon, and it's a beautiful day today, guys. It's just beautiful sunshine weather. It's warm and it's not cold, so it's just perfect weather. So I'll show you guys around. We're going to the beach, and then we're going to downtown Florence. Bye. Alright guys, we are on the way going to the beach. It's beautiful scenery over here. A lot of yellow. I'm not sure if they're flowers or bushes. It's just beautiful. Oh, there's a deer right there, baby deer.
Oh, there's another one.
There's another one.
Aww.
There's another one right there. Are you gonna cross?
Come on, baby.
Go cross. Oh, never mind. So cute. There's a dune buggy over there.
Sand dunes.
Sand dunes.
Philippines. They're comfortable, actually.
Alright guys, we made it here. We're going up on the hill. Alright, we are climbing up. We are climbing up, guys. This sand is a fine sand. White sand. And of course I'm wearing my beach shoes today. It's almost like you're wearing a socks.
Okay, sissy?
She's fine. She's just taking her time. Look at these flowers. Pretty
Those
flowers.
yellow ones, honey?
Yeah.
Hector said they're called Scotch broom.
Scotch broom. Alright, those yellow flowers that we saw down the street, it's called Scotch broom. It's almost like a flower for the witch broom. Look at those flowers.
Hand me her coat. Okay, put that to your bucket.
It's warm.
Okay, let's go.
Not bad. We're lucky. It's a little windy, but
I don't know. We just walk down that way?
just roll down.
Okay, let's go.
Just gotta roll.
Is it not gonna hurt us?
No, it's not.
The way.
Right down there, see?
Ray, I'll race you.
Ooh,
No, babe. she's
beautiful.
Ray?
She's gonna
Honey,
get
it's
hurt.
sand. What's gonna happen?
There's rocks right there.
Oh my God. Come on, let's go.
Did you get that?
No, I
Oh,
missed it.
honey, you should-
Okay, you can hold Ray Ray's hand.
Okay, let me get up. My feet are stuck in the sand.
See, it's fun.
Okay, get up.
Need help? Okay. Ooh, see? It's not bad at all, right? Okay. Go. You do that sand over there. No, don't take it off. Oh, you got full of sand in there? Okay. It's not bad at all, actually. Once you put your heel on it, it'll stop here.
Can I take off my shoes?
No, honey, because we're gonna go to those
Wait
boots.
until we get on the
Yeah.
other side of the wood.
Because that you're
Oh,
gonna get
yeah.
a blisters.
Keep your boots on, honey. Wait until we get closer to the water.
Yeah. All right, we're clear. Yahoo! Okay. All right. Are you Cece?
Hi.
What are you looking at there, Kojak? Kojak? Come here, Mele. Come here, Mele. All right, we're at the beach, guys. It's beautiful over here. Not a lot of people. This is very nice. Beautiful. And the girls are having fun, playing with the sand. Dogs are running around, Kojak and Vanilli, and there's Isaiah. It's just beautiful, guys. This is so relaxing over here. This is just perfect for the family with your dogs. Yeah.
It's cold right here. Right here. It's right there. Yeah. That's true. Oh, Grandpa, we need some water.
Right, this is what I found on the ground, guys. We've got some shells, some really nice looking rocks, and look at that. Ooh, put it here, Ray Ray.
That's mine.
Wow, not cool?
Yeah.
We'll take this home and you guys can play with it. Oh, you like the sand, huh? Ooh. All right, guys, we are going down to get lunch. We are done here at the beach. We had so much fun and the kids are getting hungry, so we're gonna go get lunch and I'll show you guys town, the place that we're going to for lunch. All right, See you guys later. Come on, Mom. Hi, Ray Ray. Careful in there.